If you're wondering if you can disable AI features in OnePlus 15, first of all, let's open the settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find AI tab. Click on it. Then you can find all of the AI features like AI search, and then there's a switch that allows you to disable it right here. Then there's AI writer. You can also disable it by clicking on this button right here. Then we have AI translate. In this case, sadly, you cannot disable this option. You can change the voice speed, switch between different voices, but you cannot disable this specific feature entirely. Then there's the AI voice scribe, and here you can disable it like that. There's AI recorder, and you can also disable it with the switch. And we have AI service engine that you can also disable right there. And there's only one option that you cannot disable, which is AI translate.
Thank you for using Translate.
That is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.